Hello everyone. I just made a video moments ago that I'm uploading in a couple of days. And I wanted to make another one because just now I became the recipient of an extraordinary act of kindness. One that I did not expect at all. A fellow was riding up in his gleamy, sparkling, beautiful Harley Davidson motorcycle. He parked right behind my car, and he pulled out some freshly cut flowers, and he was walking towards me. I thought maybe it was earmarked for another gravesite nearby, but he came right up to me holding those flowers, and we made small talk and found out that he was a paramedic of 18 years. And he said that he felt compelled to do an act of kindness. And with that, he laid the flowers to rest on my father's gravesite. I did not see that coming. And it turned out that not only was he a paramedic, but his father and grandfather were also in the emergency services. Not the same fire department that my father was. My father was a fire chief for many years. We made some more small talk, and then I found out that his name was the same name as the young man who I told you about that I had met at a smoke shop. Same name, Stock with a C. And then he left. So check it out. Amazing. So what act of kindness will you do today? You can bet that his act of kindness now has a ripple effect. God is good.